Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best wireless subwoofer system for TV in 2025. If you've been looking for a true surround sound experience in a sleek, convenient package, look no further. This is the VIZIO 5.1 Soundbar SE with wireless subwoofer and surround speakers, model SV510X08. It's the 2025 model, and it's packed with advanced features including Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, Bluetooth, HDMI EARC, and VIZIO's unique QuickFit compatibility. Let's explore why this system is redefining home theater audio. The VIZIO 5.1 Soundbar SE sports a clean, minimalist design. At 36 inches wide, it fits beautifully under most TVs without being intrusive. Included in the box are three main components: the soundbar itself, two surround speakers, and a compact wireless subwoofer. Setting this up is refreshingly simple. Thanks to VIZIO's QuickFit system, if you're using a compatible VIZIO TV, you can attach the soundbar directly to your display with the included thumbscrews, no tools required. Otherwise, connect everything wirelessly and link the soundbar to your TV using HDMI EARC. It's a seamless setup for a premium experience. Let's talk sound. This system delivers 96 decibels of audio power, providing detailed, high-impact sound perfect for medium to large-sized rooms. Dolby Atmos and DTS X support means you're not just hearing the sound, you're inside it. Overhead effects, directional audio, and immersive surround detail bring your favorite shows and movies to life. The full-range speakers inside the soundbar deliver rich mids and crisp highs, while the wireless subwoofer handles the low end with punchy depth. And with the two surround speakers, you're getting a truly cinematic soundstage. Whether it's action films or subtle dialogue-heavy dramas, the clarity and dynamic range are top-tier. Connectivity is modern and user-friendly. You've got HDMI EARC for the highest quality audio pass-through, and Bluetooth for seamless wireless music streaming from your phone or tablet. While there's no optical output, most users with HDMI-capable TVs won't miss it. If your TV doesn't have HDMI, VIZIO's customer support has alternatives available. The system is also controllable via the VIZIO mobile app, available on iOS and Android, allowing you to adjust advanced sound settings, switch modes, and update firmware. Note: the soundbar remote is sold separately, but most TVs can control the volume through HDMI CEC. To sum it up, the VIZIO 5.1 Soundbar SE is a powerhouse in a compact form. It balances performance, ease of use, and cutting-edge audio tech. It's built for those who want theater-quality sound without the clutter and complexity. From blockbuster movie nights to casual music sessions, this soundbar transforms your living room into a high-fidelity audio zone. For anyone upgrading their home audio setup in 2025, this is absolutely worth your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert reviews. See you in the next one.